When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my...
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tiger, a native Chinese speaker. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to learn Chinese Pinyin just by singing a song. So let's just dive in. Actually, when I started to learn English, I started from the ABC sound, even before I can read or write the English alphabets. It really helps a lot. I believe almost every English learners in China can sing this song. I'm also a little bit curious if there is the ABC song when you started to learn English in your country. So just leave your comments down below, let me know. Firstly, I'm gonna share the song with you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Now you see, I can sing my ABC. Okay, what do you think of the song? It's a fun way to get started from zero, right? So I'm gonna share the song for Chinese Pinyin so that you can get started from a fun way, just like me learn English started from the ABC song. So let's just listen to it. 阿伯吃的佛歌，何以饥渴了么呢？我破气日死特，无比无喜一子。Okay, so what do you think of this song? You may have already noticed that the order of the letter is almost the same as the English alphabets. Yes, you're right, it has the same order. The order is very important for our brain to memorize something very quickly. Our brain can memorize something quickly with an order, especially from something you are familiar with. So I believe this song can help you to learn Chinese Pinyin faster. So let's just dive in for the details. I'm gonna walk you through the sounds of every letter in Chinese Pinyin, okay? The first letter A sounds ah, ah, just like A in father, ah. Letter B sounds b, b, bag, book, b. So you can just add a vowel sound after the initial b, b, b. This way you can pronounce it more easily. Letter C sounds c, gets, boots, but just voice it. C, c. The sound for Chinese Pinyin is the voiced sound, so you just need to voice it when you read the Chinese Pinyin, okay? Letter D sounds d, d, dad, desk, d. Letter E sounds a short sound in English, just like today, tomorrow. Letter F sounds f, father, food, f. Letter G sounds g, good, get, g. Letter H sounds h, hello, help, h. Letter I sounds e, meat, eat, e. Letter G sounds G, just like you say Jeep in English. Just need to put your tongue behind your bottom teeth. G, G. Letter K sounds K, keep, kite, K. Letter L sounds L, left, let, L. Letter M sounds M, mother, make, M. Letter N sounds N, next, not, N. Letter O sounds W, wo, but when it combined with some initials, it sounds a little bit more like Letter P sounds p, police, paper, Letter Q sounds qi. Just like when you say cheese in English, you just need to put your tongue behind your bottom teeth. Qi, qi. Letter R sounds r, just like a pleasure, pleasure. Z. Letter S sounds s, sleep. Just voice it. S. Letter T sounds t, just like tomorrow, take, t. Letter U sounds oo, just like food, oo. Letter V, actually we don't have the V sounds in Chinese Pinyin. Letter W sounds oo, just like wood, oo. Letter X sounds xi, just like you say sheep in English, but you just need to put your tongue behind your bottom teeth. Xi. Letter Y sounds e, just like yes, yellow, e. The last letter Z sounds z, just like goods, bads, but you just need to voice it. Z. Okay, it's all. It's very easy, right? Here's some small tips when you learn Chinese Pinyin. First, the sound of a Chinese Pinyin is a voiced sound, so you need to voice your sound when you read Chinese Pinyin, okay? And you can add a vowel sound, just like or e, after the initials when you read Chinese Pinyin. So this way you can pronounce it more easily. Use the order of English alphabets can help you to learn Chinese Pinyin faster. Of course, there are some other orders to learn Chinese Pinyin, just like we can separate them to initials and finals, just like consonants and vowels in English. I'm gonna give you another video to walk you through all the details in this way. But let's just get started from the easiest way, from the fun way, from the song for Chinese Pinyin. So just practice to sing the song for Chinese Pinyin. If you don't like to sing something, then you can just read it, just like me. 阿伯吃的二佛哥和一饥可乐么呢？我婆妻日斯特无为无西一子. You can just read it to practice. Okay, see you next video.